5 legitimate ways for you to earn $100 daily right here in Nigeria without any form of investment. How you can get paid $100 on a daily basis without any investment right here in Nigeria. Yes, you heard me right. You can make money online without spending a dime. So whether you're actually a student or you are a stay-at-home parent or you are looking forward to earn an extra cash, this video is for you. Before we actually jump in, make sure to actually hit the subscribe button so you don't get to miss out on our subsequent video. We actually upload videos on a weekly basis with tips and strategies for you to earn money online. Alright, let's get started. The first method that we're going to be looking at so you can actually make $100 from home without any form of investment is called freelancing. There are several websites where you can offer your own unique skills, and as a result, you get paid for the skills that you get to offer. These websites are so fantastic, and some of them include websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, just to mention a few. If you therefore have a skill in writing, a skill in graphic design, or you are a coding wizard, there is a market that is best fit for you. When it comes to freelancing, you need to be able to create a profile that is highly compelling and at the same time showcases that unique skills of yours. This way, you are seamlessly able to start applying for jobs on one hand, gathering positive reviews from your customers and those who interact with your profile, thereby attracting even more customers to yourself. Next up, we have online tutoring. There are a good number of websites that gives you the opportunity to teach students from around the world. This means that if you have knowledge in certain subject areas, be it English language, mathematics, or sciences, you can earn money online by helping others to learn. Making use of websites such as tutor.com, italki.com, or even WhatsApp, you have the singular opportunity to teach online and then you get paid for it. The cool thing about online tutoring is that you get to set your own rates and schedules, giving you a flexible option to work with. Owing to the fact that the demand for online education is getting higher by the day. The third way you can make money online is through affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing happens to be a form of business model which is very simple, by the way, where you get to promote some other person's product or services, and for every sale that you get to make using your unique affiliate link, you get paid a commission for it. And commission rates get to range anywhere from 10% to 50% or even more, depending on the affiliate program that you are in affiliation with. Amazon Associates, Jumia, or even Konga offers you product listings where you can promote their products, and then you get paid a commission for every sale that you get to make. When you get to join affiliate programs and you promote their products, you get to earn a commission for every sale that is made through the unique affiliate link that is being provided for you. It is a good practice for you to share your unique affiliate link on social media, share your unique affiliate links on blogs or even YouTube channel. And the more that you get to promote, the more money you are able to make. The idea of content creation is another lucrative option when it comes to making money online. Starting a YouTube channel, having a blog, or even creating a YouTube account makes a whole lot of sense. In the creation of your content, create engaging content on topics that you are passionate about, and then you get to monetize this piece or pieces of content through the use of adverts being placed on your content, through the use of sponsorship, or you could use any other form of monetization strategy that is being made available to you. I'll be talking about a whole lot of these right here in this channel, so don't forget to stay subscribed so you don't get to miss out when we actually put out this video right here on this channel. With that being said, one thing you should take note of is the fact that you need to remain consistent and make your content highly engaging with your audience. The more value you provide, the more your audience gets to grow, and then the more money you get to make. The number 5 on our list in today's video that will enable you earn money online is by completing very simple surveys or microtasks. And you can use platforms such as Swagbox, Clickworker, or similar websites. These tasks may include data entry tasks, watching of videos, product testing, or participating in surveys. While this might not make you rich overnight, it is an easy way for you to earn an extra cash in your spare time. And there you have it, guys. 5 legitimate ways for you to earn $100 daily right here in Nigeria without any form of investment. Which of these methods are you excited to try? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and stay subscribed to this YouTube channel for more awesome content such as this one. I want you to remember one thing though, that the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. So take action today and start earning. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the very next one.